To ensure your Fort Lauderdale home stands out in a competitive real estate market, door replacement is one of the most cost-effective improvements you can make. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to increase your home's value, new doors can have a significant impact. In this article, we'll explore how replacing doors can boost your property's curb appeal, energy efficiency, security, and overall marketability. Enhanced curb appeal. First impressions matter, and the exterior doors of your home are the first thing people see. Outdated, worn out, or damaged doors can detract from your home's curb appeal and may even lower its perceived value. Replacing old doors with stylish, modern ones can instantly upgrade the look of your home, giving it a fresh, inviting appearance. In Fort Lauderdale's vibrant market, where the aesthetic of a home is a key selling point, a new front door can make all the difference. Choose a door that complements your home's architectural style, whether it's sleek and contemporary or warm and traditional. Adding a pop of color, a decorative glass insert, or a trendy design can create a focal point that draws attention from potential buyers. Increased energy efficiency. Another crucial factor that contributes to your home's value is energy efficiency. Fort Lauderdale's tropical climate means your home can be subject to high temperatures and humidity, which can cause your HVAC system to work overtime. Old doors, especially ones with poor seals or outdated materials, can allow air to leak in and out, causing higher energy bills and discomfort. By upgrading to energy-efficient doors, such as insulated or low emissivity, low-E glass options, you can improve your home's thermal efficiency. Not only will this keep your home more comfortable, but it also signals to buyers that your home is well maintained and mindful of long-term cost savings. This is a significant selling point for environmentally conscious buyers and those looking for lower utility costs. Improved security. Security is always a top concern for homeowners, and replacing outdated doors can significantly improve the safety of your Fort Lauderdale residents. Older doors, particularly wood or hollow core models, can be easier to breach than modern, reinforced doors made from steel, fiberglass, or solid core wood. Investing in high-quality, secure doors with advanced locking systems can give potential buyers peace of mind, which, in turn, increases your home's appeal and value. A secure front door is an especially attractive feature for buyers with families or those seeking additional protection from storms, given Fort Lauderdale's vulnerability to hurricanes. Hurricane-resistant doors. In South Florida, storm preparation is a critical concern. Hurricane-resistant doors are an important upgrade that not only improves your home's security but also adds significant value. These doors are designed to withstand high winds and flying debris, providing protection during severe weather events. While the initial investment may be higher, installing storm-resistant doors is a smart decision for Fort Lauderdale homeowners looking to safeguard their property and increase its value. Many buyers in the area prioritize homes with storm-ready features, and having hurricane-resistant doors may be the ultimate selling point in a region prone to storms. Return on investment. Replacing doors offers an impressive return on investment, ROI, when it comes to boosting home value. According to real estate experts, homeowners can expect to recoup a large portion of the cost of door replacement when selling their home. The exact ROI will depend on factors such as door style, material, and installation quality, but overall, it's a renovation that can yield substantial financial benefits. A well-chosen door replacement not only makes your home more appealing but also positions it as a more desirable and valuable property in Fort Lauderdale's real estate market. Conclusion: door replacement is a straightforward yet highly effective way to increase your Fort Lauderdale home's value. Whether you're looking to enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, upgrade security, or prepare for hurricane season, investing in new doors will pay dividends. Not only will your home be more attractive to buyers, but it will also be better equipped to handle the demands of Florida's climate. Ultimately, a door replacement can make your home more appealing and increase its marketability, providing you with a competitive edge in today's fast-paced housing market.